If you've ever experienced the pain of a wisdom tooth coming in, you know it can be downright brutal. It's the kind of pain that can make it impossible to eat, sleep, or even think straight. You might be watching this because you're sitting there right now, dealing with that throbbing, relentless ache, and thinking, what can I possibly do to make this stop? Well, you're not alone, and the good news is that there are some effective home remedies that can actually relieve the pain while you're waiting to see your dentist. Wisdom tooth pain can feel like it takes over your entire life, but with the right remedies, you can get some relief and make things a bit more manageable. In this video, we will reveal to you 8 of the best tried and true home remedies that can bring you comfort and help you get back to feeling like yourself again. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Clove oil. Clove oil is like nature's local anesthetic, and it's been used for tooth pain since before dentists even existed. That is because it contains eugenol, which is a natural anesthetic and anti-inflammatory compound that helps numb the affected area and reduce swelling. But here's the catch: you need to use it correctly, or you'll end up with a burning sensation. So, first, dilute the clove oil with a carrier oil like olive or coconut oil. About 2 to 3 drops of clove oil per teaspoon of carrier oil. Apply this mixture to the affected area using a clean cotton swab. Don't go overboard, a little goes a long way. The numbing effect usually kicks in within 5 to 10 minutes and can last for several hours. Keep in mind that while clove oil is effective, some people might be sensitive to it, so do a small test patch on your gum first. Number 2. Saltwater rinse. The humble saltwater rinse might not sound exciting, but it's actually one of the most effective ways to relieve wisdom tooth pain. So, mix half a teaspoon of salt in a cup of warm water, not hot enough to burn, but warm enough to dissolve the salt completely. Now here's the important part. Don't just swish it around like regular mouthwash. Gently move the solution to the affected area and hold it there for about 30 seconds before spitting it out. Repeat this process 4 to 5 times a day, especially after meals. The salt helps reduce inflammation and keeps the area clean by drawing out bacteria. If the taste is too intense, don't reduce the salt. That's what makes it effective. Instead, try focusing on breathing through your nose while rinsing. Number 3. Vanilla extract. Don't let its use in baking fool you. Vanilla extract is a surprisingly effective pain reliever for wisdom tooth discomfort. The secret lies in the alcohol content and the natural compounds found in vanilla beans. Here's how to use it properly. Dip a clean cotton swab in pure vanilla extract. Make sure it's real vanilla, not artificial, and apply it directly to the painful area. The key is to hold the cotton swab in place for at least 30 seconds, allowing the extract to work its magic. You can repeat this process up to 4 times daily. The alcohol in the extract acts as a mild numbing agent, while the vanilla itself has antioxidant properties. Some people find that leaving a vanilla-soaked cotton ball near the affected area for several minutes provides even longer-lasting relief. Number 4. Aloe vera. Aloe vera isn't just for sunburns, it's a fantastic remedy for wisdom tooth pain. This succulent plant contains anti-inflammatory and antibacterial compounds that can significantly reduce pain and swelling. If you have an aloe plant at home, cut open a fresh leaf and extract the clear gel. For those without a plant, pure aloe vera gel from the store works too. Just make sure it's 100% pure aloe vera without added chemicals. Apply the gel directly to the inflamed gum area around your wisdom tooth. The cooling sensation provides immediate relief, while the natural compounds work to reduce inflammation. You can safely reapply it several times throughout the day. What makes aloe vera particularly effective is its ability to not just mask pain, but actually promote healing of the irritated tissue. Some people mix it with a drop of tea tree oil for enhanced antibacterial effects, though plain aloe works perfectly fine on its own. Store your aloe gel in the refrigerator for an extra cooling effect when applied. Just be careful not to swallow large amounts of aloe vera gel, as it can have a laxative effect. Number 5. Peppermint tea bags. This might sound like something your grandmother would suggest, but used peppermint tea bags can be surprisingly effective for wisdom tooth pain. Here's the proper technique. Steep a peppermint tea bag in hot water for about 5 minutes, Then remove it and let it cool in the fridge until it's slightly cool, not freezing. Once it reaches the right temperature, place it directly on the sore area. The tannins in the tea help reduce inflammation, while the cooling effect of peppermint provides natural pain relief. For best results, keep the tea bag in place for at least 20 minutes, and feel free to reuse it throughout the day after storing it in the fridge. Before we continue, if you have been finding the video helpful so far, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more videos like this. Number 6. Garlic paste. Garlic is nature's antibiotic, and it's packed with allicin, which is a compound that fights both pain and infection. Here's how to use it effectively. Crush a fresh clove of garlic into a paste. Crushing activates the beneficial compounds. Now mix it with a few drops of olive oil to make it less harsh. Apply this mixture directly to the painful wisdom tooth area using a clean cotton swab. Some brave people even gently chew a small piece of garlic with the affected tooth, but the paste method is usually more comfortable. The key is using fresh garlic. Pre-minced or old garlic won't have the same punch. You might experience a burning sensation at first, which is normal, but if it's too intense, remove it immediately. Use this remedy 2 to 3 times daily, but be prepared for garlic breath, so maybe save this method for when you're not planning any important meetings. The antibacterial properties make it especially useful if you're dealing with an infection, though it's not a replacement for professional medical care if you suspect one. Number 7. Cold compress. A cold compress can help numb the area and reduce inflammation, making it a great option for those times when the pain feels unbearable. Wrap some ice cubes in a thin towel and hold it against your cheek near the painful area for 15 minutes. Just make sure to never apply ice directly to your skin, as it can cause burns. Here's the secret most people miss. Alternate 15 minutes on and 15 minutes off. This prevents tissue damage and keeps the treatment effective. The cold helps to constrict blood vessels, which reduces swelling and numbs the area. The timing here matters. Use cold therapy for the first 24 to 48 hours of acute pain. After that, you might want to switch to warm compresses to improve blood flow and healing. Number 8. Turmeric paste. Turmeric isn't just for curry. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory agent that can work wonders for wisdom tooth pain. Create a paste by mixing 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with a few drops of water until it forms a thick consistency. Some people add a tiny drop of honey to make it more pleasant and help it stick better. Apply this paste directly to the affected area using a clean finger or cotton swab. The active compound in turmeric is curcumin, which helps reduce inflammation and can even fight bacteria. Fair warning: turmeric will temporarily stain everything yellow: your fingers, your toothbrush, possibly your shirt if you're not careful. Apply the paste before bed to avoid walking around with a yellow-tinged mouth, and place a towel on your pillow to prevent staining. The relief is worth the extra laundry, though, as many people report significant pain reduction within 30 minutes of application. At the end, while these home remedies can provide temporary relief, they're not permanent solutions. If your wisdom tooth pain is accompanied by fever, severe swelling, difficulty opening your mouth, or trouble swallowing, it's time to call your dentist immediately. These could be signs of infection that require professional treatment. Now, we want to hear from you. What home remedy has worked best for your wisdom tooth pain? Do you have any go-to tips for managing dental pain at home? Share with us your experiences and opinions in the comments below. We love to hear them. Thanks for watching.